Hi guys, today I want to share with you a basic wire wrapping technique, how to wire wrap a briolette without the hole. You can use this technique in many types of stones. Now let's get started. To start, take a piece of 24 gauge wire. I used the half-hard gold-filled wire. Bend the wire in the middle. Then, adjust the width based on the briolette you're using. Measure it against the gem. Make sure the wire hoop is a little bit smaller. Bend the two ends perpendicular to the wire hoop. Using a piece of 30 gauge soft wire, wrap the two ends tightly against each other. The end result should look like this. Then, hold the wrapped together part and bend the wire parallel to the original oval shape. Fit the briolette in between, then adjust the width of the two wires. Once it's done, hold the wire in place and drop the bead. Bend the two ends outward using a chain nose plier. Then, place the briolette back in the frame. Then secure the frame using a piece of 30 gauge soft wire. Now the bead has been tightly wrapped in the wire frame. Wrap the extra 30 gauge wire around the two ends about 10 times. Then we are going to place a bead on top of the briolette. Slide the bead onto one end of the 30 gauge soft wire, then slide in another 30 gauge wire from the opposite direction. Pull the two ends till the bead is tightly secured. Continue wrapping the 30 gauge wire about 30 times. Now we need to create a loop, so the briolette can be attached to other accessories such as necklace chains. I created a few decorative loops just to make it prettier. You can stop it here, or you can embellish the piece a little bit more. Slide a small dark green bead onto the 30 gauge wire. Then place it on the briolette underneath the white bead. Wrap the wire around the frame for both sides. After securing the center green bead, we are going to embellish two more green beads at both sides. Now, our Briolette pendant has been completed. You can wrap other types of stones using this technique as well. You can also change the design by adding different embellishments. The step-by-step picture tutorial for this flower design can be found in my website Crystals and Clay. I'll list the link below. If you liked today's tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.